This is the EZVIZ RH2 Smart Cordless Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner. This versatile cleaner for all types of hard floors, not only vacuums, but also mops and cleans, making it an all-in-one solution, saving you time and effort when cleaning your floors. It comes equipped with large dual tanks that separate dirty and clean water and has a self-cleaning function. Plus, with a long run time, you can clean an area of up to 200 square meters in one go. Let's take a closer look at this fantastic product. The box contains useful information about the product, providing a clear understanding of what the EZVIZ RH2 is capable of. When opening the box, you'll find all the accessories in the top section. These include a screwdriver, a spare HEPA filter, a cleaning brush, a cleaning brush rack, a HEPA rack, a spare rolling brush, and a fragrance card. If you remove the cardboard insert, you'll find a bottle of cleaning solution and the larger parts, the handle, charging base, and main device body. When unpacking the charging base, you'll find a quick start guide and user guides in multiple languages. The HEPA rack and cleaning brush rack slot into the charging base for handy storage of all accessories, so they are always on hand when needed. And the EZVIZ RH2 slots easily onto the charging base for storage, charging and self-cleaning. For a full charge, it takes approximately 5 hours. Assembling the EZVIZ RH2 is very easy. The handle has easy-to-use buttons for power and to switch functions.
Standard mode. Power mode.
And you just slot it into the main device body, push it down until you hear a click and it's ready to go. If you want to use the optional fragrance card, the fragrance slot can be found by removing the clean water tank, turning the cover and slotting the fragrance card into place. Now, surprisingly, the EZVIZ RH2 is lightweight, easy to carry, and only weighs around 4.55 kilograms. This is also the first time I've seen a vacuum with an open brush design, so it will be interesting to see how it performs. The handle is incredibly lightweight and features a few functional buttons at the top. After assembling all the parts, the RH2 fits perfectly onto the base station, which holds all of the accessories in one place. The clean water tank is at the back and can easily be removed by pressing a button. And the cover pops open to fill it with warm water up to 60 degrees. A bottle of EZVIZ hard floor cleaning solution is provided and is optional when cleaning, but just adding a single capful to every full tank of clean water ensures better cleaning of dirt, stains and sticky messes. Then the clean water tank just slots back into the main unit. The dirty water tank can be disassembled just as easily as the clean water tank, and the HEPA filter can be removed for cleaning. A fantastic LED display at the top of the unit clearly shows which mode is selected and the remaining battery life. And looking at the base station, these air vents help to dry the brush, preventing the buildup of germs when the brush stays wet. Let's put the mop function to the test by trying to clean something really messy and sticky. I'm using chocolate spread and ketchup on glossy wood laminate flooring to see just how well it works. The chocolate left some residue after the first run of the RH2, but it did an excellent job cleaning up the ketchup on the first go. Now, after moving the RH2 back over the area, it has also managed to mop up every trace of chocolate. A quick additional go over will ensure that there's no remaining grease on the floor, and this will guarantee a spotless floor. The green LED light is a handy feature that provides increased dust visibility. It illuminates dust on the floor, making it easy to spot and clean. With this feature, you can be sure you won't miss a single spot while cleaning. It has a strong suction, which leaves a minimal amount of water trail, which will dry very quickly. And the large containers intelligently separate the clean and dirty water, so you never have to worry about mopping with dirty water. The EZVIZ RH2 is really easy to use and has a voice function that tells you exactly what it's doing and what function or mode it's currently in.
Standard mode. Power mode.
It alerts you to empty the dirty water tank.
Please clean the dirty water bucket in time.
And lets you know when clean water is running low.
Water shortage for clean water bucket. Please add water.
It effortlessly glides along floors thanks to its state-of-the-art motor, requiring minimal effort to generate forward traction. And that's not the only smart tech that the EZVIZ RH2 packs in. With a built-in infrared sensor, the RH2 automatically detects dirt levels and then self-adjusts water flow, roller speed and suction power based on the exact need. After cleaning up the chocolate spread and ketchup, you can see the brush roller is dirty. However, this shouldn't be a problem for the EZVIZ RH2 as it has a self-cleaning function. Simply place the cleaner on the base station and press the self-cleaning button to start self-cleaning with 16 water spray units on the cleaning head that flush out dirt and debris with high-speed water. And after, the EZVIZ RH2 automatically dries itself with hot air blown over the brush for germ busting and sterilisation. Maintenance of this cleaner is so easy. The cleaning brush is so simple to remove and replace when needed, and it's done in just a few clicks. The EZVIZ RH2 Wet and Dry Vacuum is a top-of-the-line cleaning tool that is sure to impress. With its powerful suction capabilities, it can easily tackle both wet and dry messes with ease. The vacuum's sleek design makes it functional and aesthetically pleasing. Now overall, the EZVIZ RH2 is a reliable and efficient cleaning tool that is sure to exceed your expectations. If you want to check it out, I'll leave links in the description and pinned comment below for you to check out the latest offers and best deals. As always, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, comment and subscribe to my channel, making sure that you turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of my latest releases. These small actions from you make a big difference to me and help to improve how YouTube recommends my videos to potential subscribers. And I truly appreciate your help in making my channel grow. The EZVIZ